Hello guys, today my voice is not going to be clear because I don't have the mic. Today welcome back to our YouTube channel. I have not been back for a long time. It's because of exam. So yeah, let's start this video. I thought of what game to play, so I thought of this game. Yeah, Modern Warships, that's the game's name. So yeah, I have been playing it for a bit. So yeah, let me try it. I thought it was good for the video. I checked some videos and it has a lot of views. So yeah, I'm gonna play this game. Okay, so let's start. My voice is not gonna be clear. Okay, not that much clear. Go. Let's go, boys! Let's deploy our drone. Yeah, what's this? Oh, enemy! Wait, what? Oh, that's so weird. Oh, it's the building. Whoa! I don't know, I destroyed the building. Look! Destroy the building! Let's go! Even more! Come on! I'll concentrate. I have to destroy the engine. I need to go get charged. The building. I'm wasting my ammo. For one shot. Let's get rid of my missiles. Let's get ready with my missiles. What's that? Oh my god. I'm coming, Jack. Let's attack it. It's over. Let's go! Collision damage. Oh yeah! Let's lower the volume. Because it's too loud. Oh my god, we can do it. Let's go. Just concentrating on that guy. Get in. Let's see the kill. Let's see. Yeah. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Get him. Get him. Let's go. Missiles launched into oblivion. Oh, you destroyed it. Very nice. Oh my god! What just happened? Get him! Get him! Get him! Dang it! It missed. Hit by a bomb thrower. What's that? I think. Let it do anything. I'll play the game. Fire! Damn it! No! I'm destroying missiles in them. Oh no! Everybody's here! Everybody's here! Oh, please God! No! Oh my god. This is dead. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god, so many teams. I don't know, I'm just doing something. Oh my god, missile. This guy again. You're here. Let's get out. I'm spamming everything. Get him. I am not aiming properly. Oh no, I am about to die. Too much left. Help me. I am in noise. Destroyed. Ship is destroyed. Is that a plane on water? How? How's a plane can? This is. He's every time coming again and again and again. What's this? Oh my god. Endless chaos with him. What? Maybe I just thought to increase the reward by watching an ad. What? I'm saving this for this ship. I just put it on my favorites. Which is the ship? Where is it? I think it's it's this ship. It's a destroyer. Wow, look at this. Yeah. And I also have my another ship. It's this. And I also have this ship. But I don't use it that much. So I'm using this. So whoa. Let's go, team deathmatch. Team deathmatch. What is this? Anyways, let's play the game. We don't need to care about the rules or something. We play the game for fun. I don't have any trials. Two cannons. One like grenade launcher. What's this? A torpedo? That's a torpedo. I'm going in the helicopter. Helicopter. Yeah, look here. I'm gonna shoot up. I'm a flying helicopter. What? Who's that? Oh my god, enemies. Oh no! Oh no, is it? I don't care about the health, I don't care about my ship. Oh my god, what's happening? I see an enemy. Somebody. What the? I will kill it. Oh no. I'm targeting this guy. Submarine. Are you kidding me? No, it's gonna hit me. stupid mountain. Let's clear it. Ah, shit. Ah, I just got hit by my own torpedoes. How does it happen? Okay, I got the time. I'm gonna shred into pieces. Metallic pieces. Get it. Help. I'm going to my ship. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. I am back. So that's it for today's video. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. By the way, let me change to this. Bye. Bye.